What's up you guys, today I'm bringing you a quick update on the restoration of this 3000 GT. On the previous video we assembled it back together and today we're gonna paint it to match the rest of the car with the factory Glacier White Pearl paint. Here I'm sanding it all down with 320 grit so I can spray the primer. Everything's been sanded down with 320 grit and washed, and now it's ready for primer. The car's been covered all up so I don't get any paint on unwanted areas. I will be spraying primer on the black radiator support, the silver bumper, the blue fender, and on the door. 3 coats of primer have been sprayed on, and once it dries, I will block sand it with 400 grit to prep it for the base coat. Here it is after spraying the white base coat. This is a 3-stage paint job from factory, so the pearl coat is next. Here it is with the pearl coat applied. It has some dust particles, so I'll be going over it with an 800 grit before the clear coat. And here it is after finishing the clear coat. I left it outside to dry in the sun and it snowed overnight. I'm hoping it dried enough before it could ruin the paint, but we'll see in the next video how it turns out. So make sure you're subscribed and ring that bell so you can be notified when the next video comes out.